appetit.
I thought you like the goulash.
Dinner.
But it's not American goulash.
Sarap naman. Oh, itong mga kano na ito, kakain to ng sinigang.
Yan. Yan, laro gulay.
Yan, sinigang. Mga puti na to, magagaling kumain ng sinigang yan.
Pilipina. Lahat na. German.
Yung coffee daw, international. May Pilipino, may German.
Kape Americano.
What kind of coffee do we have?
Kape Americano, kape Barako, kape latte, whatever. Yan, coffee.
International.
Oh.
They all look alike.
Kaping
All
in
the same, just different cups.
kaping Indiano.
I thought they were all different. You just
Itaas mo yan, itaas mo na. Hen, dalawang kamay mo, dalawang kamay. Hen, ganun mo, dalawang kamay. Dali.
Oh. Ikaw, yung boomerang, dali.
Ipakita mo yung pundador.
Sige, wala akong
Cheers.
Cheers!
Kampay! Pundador! Happy birthday, Brandon!
Happy birthday, Atena! She's taking video. I'm showing them what we're drinking. Kampay!
Kampay!
I thought you were double drinking.
No, I'm just showing them what we're
Kampay!
drinking. Got a problem?
I saw that face!
Got a problem?
You're supposed to sip it.
Oh, we're supposed to sip it? No, it's bottoms up, right?
Yeah, bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Oh my
I'm gonna make suka.
Oh my God, they did. What was that?
You still got some left. About a
That is strong, you know that? More?
Strong. Wala.
Clear
Dyan
face.
muna. Tsaka
You finish that, I got something good for you.
Bottoms up. Done.
It's a lot better.
Coffee.
It don't taste like no polish.
You ever have blackberry brandy?
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
No.
It's good with a
How about
stogie.
if you put the Coca-Cola?
Number
Cheers.
one siya. Ang second is Lake Ouachita. So, naglalakad kami dun. Nagtatampiso nga kami sa tubig. Ang liwanag. Parang Florida
Margarita.
water. Parang sa clear water. As
Tara.
in, kumbaga kita mo yung naglalakad ka. Ang liwanag. Hindi siya cloudy. Hindi ano. Ang ganda.
Eat ng alak.
Kaya lang,
Bakit gusto nyo ng alak? Ang pait-pait ng alak. You know what I have here? Do you know what I have here? Sit over here. Come here. Come here, baby. Okay, sit down. I love you. Sit. 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 You do. Sit down. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. I love you. Mommy, love you. Ooh. Give me a kiss. Are you good now? You love it? Yeah. I love you. Oh, you want more? Oh, you're a good boy. One more. One more? Come here. I love you. Okay, Knuckle. Come here. No, not you. Appa, Knuckle. Here. Knuckle. Love you. Okay. We have enough treat, okay? You're such a good boy. Love you. Yeah, you do that all the time. Okay, no pee-pee in the house, no poo-poo in the house. Okay? Oh, give me your paw. I love you too. Give me your paw. Oh, not you. Ew. Yeah, let's go. Let's go inside.
Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at para sumisikip ang bibig ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo.
Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Is she ready? Is a goose? Oh, yeah.
That's even better.
This is the morning view over here. When you wake up, this is what you see. Isn't that breathtaking view? Very relaxing. Bird sounds. Oh my gee. Look at that cloud. I hope it doesn't show up yet until we finish kayaking. Because we're going to kayaking today. What a nature. Look at this beauty.
First come, first serve with the kayaks and stuff.
Oh.
That's why she wanted to.
Yes, yeah. We gotta go. Oh, look at this view in the morning dito sa aming pinuntahan na pamilya. Grabe, no? Kaganda.
Yeah. Hopefully, they probably have more.
Yeah, take me a picture. I'll stand up there.
I'm not standing over there. I'm standing.
Shh, Lalay, it's already recording.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna look like Unano. You're tall and I'm gonna be midget in that